Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Sorry for a bit late research today, since right now in Russia this is the holidays on the Labor Day. Today is the last holiday of this some sort of the vacations. So tomorrow I will be right in time. So today I have taken a look across the board on different currencies, and wow, this is really very interesting. So almost each currency provides some special setup, and most of them we already have discussed. So, for example, an Australian dollar that we have discussed right in the weekly research, as rate has been cut by the Australian Central Bank, market has shown the downward action, and probably we indeed will get the forming of the right shoulder of our long-term pattern that could give us opportunity for taking the long position. On the New Zealand dollar, we see that market is tending to the high level, and maybe on the current week we will get the touching of our long-term weekly ABCD pattern, and we will get the chance for taking the short position. On the Japanese yen, as you can see, based on the dynamic Bank of Japan policy market, very fast and easily return back all of the retracement and drop lower. So it's probably in the nearest term we will have to estimate the new targets to the downside on the Japanese yen currency pair. So it's also gives us the opportunity for searching for some trading setups and for trading. So since we're haven't taken a look at the euro currencies before the breakout has happened, until the breakout has happened. So today it's some important moment has happened on the market, and I think that it's necessary to be discussed. Our expectation and assumption that market probably should turn to the upside and break this patterns that was forming there on the last week to the upside. This has been completed, so you can see as market has confirmed our two major signs that we have required to be confirmed. First of all, recall that we said that market should move above the monthly pivot resistance one last month, into the April. That has happened, and market also on the 4-hour time frame chart, as you will see later, is taking out the top of the high wave pattern on the last week. Both of these moments have given us the clarity for taking the long position. Market really has accelerated to the upside, and right now it has hit the major important target on the daily chart, mostly at the daily overbought. So it hasn't quite reached it, but stands very close. So as you can see, our A, B, C pattern that was formed right in the December last year. First, market has hit the 100% deep retracement. Here we even thought that probably this pattern is doomed because it was really too deep retracement. But suddenly market was able to stop here and turn to the upside. As soon as we saw the coiling around the former top and without any significant drop, it was meant that this is not the reversal, it's not the failure, but market just keeping building an energy for a breakout. This really has happened. So right now market finally has climbed right to the 1618 target. So our ultimate target for the ABCD pattern has been completed. It's 116 area. So this is the target that we have discussed here. In a medium-term perspective, guys, next target will stand at 118. So that will be the yearly pivot resistance one, and the first monthly fib level. It already has been tested. I will show you. It was here. Here market already has tested this level previously. It's 118. But this mostly reminds me of the grabbing on the stops, some volatile action. Probably that was triggered by some fundamentals or maybe Fed decision. I don't remember exactly right now. Something has happened here, but it wasn't able to hold it here, drop lower. Right now, market is moving again to this area, and for the second time, it really has the chance to break this area to the upside. But this will happen not probably right now, since market has reached very significant resistance and some retracement down probably should happen. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart here, guys. We do not have any reversal patterns yet, because market just has reached this target today. So it just has happened a few hours ago. So 116 EUR has been touched. So first level that market could reach on the move down stands at 114.60. Next one is 113.70. So as monthly pivot point on the main, as weekly pivot point has been tested yet, guys, by the market. Monthly pivot point we have at 1377. So 1377, it means that it agrees with the weekly pivot point of the current week and the 618 support 1370 with the last upward action, this upward action. So let's check where this oversold we have. Yes, oversold will let market to retrace even lower. So, but my thought, guys, I'm not sure that market will show too deep retracement here. First, at least this level we definitely should keep an eye on. Why? Because this level is 1480, 1460 area is a very long-term natural support resistance area, where market has failed to break through for the multiple times, for 6 or 7 times. If we'll take a look at the daily chart again, on the weekly chart, you will see it even better. So you can see how often market is trying to do this. And again, this will be the same 1460 area approximately. So first, second breakout failure, third, fourth area. Again, here's 6 times, 7, 8 times. Last time was here, and finally it had broken it. So that's why this area has some special meaning for euro currency. As you can see, it's really long-term support resistance zone, and probably it will play its role in retracement down. That's why, guys, we should not be deceived by just the minor 3-8 fib support on the 4-hour time frame chart. It just coincides with this area. But the meaning of this area is significantly more important in the long-term perspective. That's why it really could happen that market will drop here and could stop here. Also, it even will be a preferable scenario for further bullish perspective, because this is absolutely normal and gives more confidence when the market just dropped to the former strong resistance, retested it, and then bounced up. That just gives more confidence with the possible further upward continuation. That's why let's keep an eye first on this area, because I suspect that could happen that market even will not reach this level. On the hourly chart, guys, I do not see really not something special yet, so market is just trying to move down. Keep an eye on this area on the 4-hour time frame chart, because as you can see here we have also very nice thrust up. Here's, guys, by the way, our high wave pattern. Recall of the importance of this pattern that we have discussed. First glance, it looks like just simple candles, nothing really special here, but high waves patterns are very important and they are our friends. So that being said, on the 4-hour time frame chart we have very nice thrust up, and it could become the background, the context for Napoli intraday chart, intraday patterns. For example, this could be the Brent bottom. If market will drop lower, reach this area, since it will be time for buying. Here we will try to take the long position if we will get the Brent bottom. If we will get here the double repo, well, in this case, probably the retracement really could become a bit deeper. But we will see what really will happen. So currently, as you can see, your currency, at least technically, is ready to take some pause relief in upward action, mostly due to this resistance. It's 1618 completion point and daily overbought.